Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook some black-eyed peas. So follow me to my counter and let's start making this black-eyed peas. Okay, it's ready and I can tell you it is yummy and I cannot wait to dig in. Okay, these are the packs of black-eyed peas that I bought from Walmart. I'm going to be using 3 packs. I have garlic, I have tomatoes, onion, I got some parsley. I bought it for something else I cook, and there's some that's left over. I don't want it to go bad, so I'm just going to put it in there. I got red bell pepper, habanero pepper back here. I'm going to use the smoked pork cut neck bones. I have some chicken that I season. I have Maggi cube, tomato paste. I have my oil, onion powder, chicken noir seasoning, complete sazon. I have my salt in here. And this is my weak point, plantain. I'm going to be frying plantain also and making some rice. So I have a different black-eyed pea that I had done on my channel. That one was not fried. This one, I'm going to be frying it. So the first thing I'm going to do, let me cut up all my vegetables and I'll be back. Okay, I cut up all my vegetables and I put my meat in the pot. And I'm just going to put some of my vegetables in there and put it on the stove and let it cook. All of my parsley going in the pot. I put 2 of my pepper. I'm keeping the stem on so it won't bust up. And I'll mash it when I'm ready. Okay, let me take it to the stove and I'll be back. Okay, putting all my black-eyed peas in the pot. I'm gonna wash it and I'll be back. Okay, I washed it because I don't know how it was processed. So I'm putting a little bit of salt, some onion powder, some chicken noir seasoning, some complete sazon, give that a stir. I'm going to cook it for 45 minutes. On the back of the pack, that's the instructions also. So let me take it to my stove and I'll be back. The meat boiling. Let me season it. I put some of my garlic powder. Some of my chicken noir seasoning. Now, if you don't have these kind of seasoning, or if you don't want to use it, you can use whatever you got. Some complete sazon. And my Maggi cubes. 3 of them. Sometimes it's too hard to mash up, so I'll just put it in there. And a little bit of salt. Stir it. Let me cover it and let it continue to cook. Let me cut my plantain. If I didn't eat plantain so much, I think I will lose like 30 or 40 pounds. But I just love sweet plantain. It's been 45 minutes and the black eyed pea ready. I'm just going to take this and mash some of it. I'm going to fry my chicken and we're going to go on to frying the black eyed pea. So I've started to fry the chicken, and once it's fried, I'll just flip it on the other side, and the meat is still boiling. Okay, let that half fry. Okay, let me take it out. And I can put my vegetables in there. And I'm going to put my vegetables all in there. Okay, I've been frying it for 15 minutes. I'm going to put some tomato paste. Let that fry for 10 minutes and I will be back and season it. I'm putting some chicken or seasoning. Some onion powder. A little bit of salt. Okay, I'm adding the black-eyed pea. Okay, let it continue to cook. I have it on low medium. Okay, let it fry. I have it on low medium. And we're going to go on to putting our meat, chicken, and the sauce and the liquid that's left from the meat after I cooked it. So it's been 15 minutes. Let me put my meat in there. I'm going to add the liquid. Because the chicken is soft, when this dries down, about 5 minutes before I take it from my stove, that's when I'm going to add the chicken. So let it dry down and I'll be back. Okay, let me add the chicken in there. Now I tasted it and everything is perfect. Enough pepper, enough salt, enough seasoning. Let this dry down 5 minutes more and I will cut my stove off. Okay, I'm about to fry my plantain. I put a little bit of chicken or seasoning and some pepper flakes. If you don't have it and you want it salty, you can just put some salt. I thought the oil was hotter than that. I'm not eating rice today. I'm just going to eat my plantain with my beans. Now it's hot and the plantain is frying. Okay, it's time to take it out. And just drain it on some paper towel. Okay, it's ready. And I can tell you it is yummy. And I cannot wait to dig in. And this is my plantain. And that's it. I'm going to upload this tomorrow and go on to making something else for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload, you will be notified. Bye-bye.